I am excited to announce Glasswing Ignite, a hands-on VC educational program that brings students together across universities for real-world experiences, training, and community. Please meet our debut cohort and see how Ignite is empowering and paving the path for the next generation of VCs.
This technological innovation is one of the coolest things ever.
I've become interested in VC and technology because
that has a lot of intellectual freedom to, discover kind of the future from the ground up.
I think it's so interesting to see how venture capitalists can catalyze the process of disruption.
To impact others and provide really viable solutions for the world.
I describe Ignite as a community of bright, ambitious students who are interested not only in venture capital, but also in forming connections and working collaboratively with others.
As well as immersing yourself in your school and bringing interesting ideas that you find on your own to the table and evaluating the deal.
And what makes companies stand out.
We get to see the behind-the-scenes action and thought process that goes into sourcing and due diligence.
Ignite offers many things that school doesn't.
It's really hard to get practical VC experience in a classroom setting.
The Glasswing program offered us the opportunity to talk to industry professionals and get a hands-on experience working on deals.
As well as having some unique moments like hearing directly from Glasswing thought leaders, as well as having exposure to the Glasswing partnership team.
I just learned a lot about tech versus the business side.
The team provides the resources to ensure that you're able to talk to founders about their technical projects.
So one thing that I really got from this program was the knowledge of the right questions to ask a venture.
it really puts you in a place where you're taking ownership and learning constantly.
And from there, you really gain a lot of experience and
this kind of perspective onto how you should be thinking about the companies you source.
And what the roles exactly are for a VC analyst or an associate going out of college into their first position.
And at the end, you get real feedback that's critical to both your deal dynamic and the founders you speak to.
It allows you to get valuable experience from working professionals.
And just to be able to talk to a senior associate at the firm and just really be able to shoot her an email and talk to her at any time has just been so helpful.
It was great to get the perspective of someone who has so much experience in the field.
There have been a lot of great conversations.
The student entrepreneurship community is an incredibly passionate and high potential group. Ignite builds bridges across universities to make it even stronger.
It was awesome to work with people from different colleges and share perspectives across school lines.
I met so many interesting people and we got to connect on a level beyond just venture capital.
I have fostered connections that I will have for the rest of my academic and professional career.
I want to thank my Glasswing family for giving us the opportunity to attend this amazing program.
Overall, Glasswing has been a great opportunity for me to further develop my skill set.
I enjoyed every minute of it.
It was really a fulfilling experience that I definitely won't forget.
The biggest thing that Glasswing has to offer is real-world experience and the chance to actually make an impact.
We are very excited about the future of Ignite, and we are opening up applications for our 2021-2022 Ignite cohort. And with that, we invite you to join Ignite.